morning, guys. I got this cooler for upcoming fishing. So it should be pretty good size. So this is what I have. Goture car refrigerate with compressor. So it's going for a 12-volt car. So it's supposed to cool down to minus 22 Celsius or Fahrenheit, like so $4 or $100. So it's 2 boxes here. Very good packaged. So this is a cooler. So it have a small kind of a manual. So it's how to operate. So press on a button, LCD, power, properties and all this stuff. So it's very promising. So let's try it on. So what do we have here? We have a chain, so stands good. So this is the so the meat is between 0 Fahrenheit. Water is like 41, so it's manual right here. Oh wow, it's on the magnet. It's a very good size. We have here also everything is so good packaged. I like it. This is probably for the legs. So we have here a power cord. Oh wow, it's very long. Okay. Also, I got with this cooler is the power, so you can plug it to your 110 volt or to your 12 volt, so your choice. So this is it. Okay, so there is two power adapters. So this is the 110 volt, this is the 12 volt. So you have to plug it to right over here. So 12 volt and can work for 24 volt also. So this is the cooler from the other sides. So this is basically handles to grip on. this is it. Easy open off. And so the way, it's only one way to plug in, it's right here. So you plug in on the sideways and begin to have this kind of a screen. So there is a USB port for charging your cell phone or something. Display, so it's always is in a lock mode, so every time you unplug it, it will remember your settings. So right now it's on Celsius, but if you press on a set or unlock and a plus for like 5 seconds, then it will change to Fahrenheit mode. So now it's in Fahrenheit mode. So it can work for up to 45, like a degree angle. And to change mode, so you just press. So right now it's set to cool down to 50. So it can go down to really low temperature. -8. And so you set here and it will always be here. So every time you unplug your cooler, so it will go like go down to that the temperature. Oh, it's already begin to be cold. So this cooler have a actually refrigerant there, so it like cool down. So it's not like on the old ones that where is the like a by the like fan is like cooling down. So this is like something new. So it locking automatically after it like any button is not pressed in for like a minute or so. So you cannot turn it to turn off or like do anything until you unlock it. So you press on the unlock button, unlocks, and now you can shut it down. We got here a very long cable. It's very long. So plug it in, and on the side of the cooler there is a plug. It like actually goes only one way. Here you go. As you can see, as of the default, it comes in Celsius. So what you can do, so just when it's unlocked, so press on those two buttons, and it's supposed to be to change to the Fahrenheit. So here you go. So this is how big is the inside. So if you take your 2-liter bottle, it just lasts here. So it's a lot of space, and have also magnet here, USB power here. So just press. So right now it says to -5 on the Fahrenheit. So you can make it warmer to about 70 something there. So it can work as the heater and cooler. So it goes to actually to 50 Fahrenheit or Celsius. It's like 70 or something. So right now it's 63, and it's supposed to be to cool down to our set temperature to 50. So that's where it go down to, or just go down, and it will go to -8 on a Fahrenheit. USB power to charge your phone. If your outlet is busy, then you can charge it through actually here, no problem. Yeah, so this is a very good spacious cooler. So inside my SUV, it really take no space. Here we go. So if you guys like it, I have in a description the promo code, so you can buy it for cheaper.